Hello, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna make a pencil for a Swiss Army knife. We're gonna need our Swiss Army knife and a pencil. The pencil is gonna be in the corkscrew. We're gonna carve out the pencil and make it small enough to go into the corkscrew. We only need the wood saw and the knife. We make a hole to show where we need to start carving, and we carve. I screw in the sharpened pencil or the carved out pencil. You want it to be a little bit tight, but not much. It needs to reach almost the end of the rings. Right now we're in the middle. Unscrew the pencil, don't pull it. I'm gonna twist in again, and it shouldn't be too tight that you can pull it out or unscrew it. And here we've got to our point. Make a dent where you're gonna cut it out, and with your wood saw cut it out. Sharpen out the little pencil that we now have. Be careful, it can break if you cut too much out. Here we go. We can write a lot and it doesn't run out. That's like show here. It's very cool because you can always have something to write on.